Close your eyes and picture that iconic moment. A man standing in an open field, jaw dropped in pure wonder as he sees a living, breathing dinosaur for the very first time. That was Dr. Alan Grant, and the actor who made that moment unforgettable has left us. Legendary actor Sam Neill has passed away at the age of 78. According to a heartfelt statement shared by his family on his official social media, Sam died on Monday, July 13th in Sydney, Australia, surrounded by his loved ones. And what makes this so sudden is that his family revealed the loss was completely unexpected. Sam had been battling stage 3 blood cancer for nearly 5 years, but just months ago, he had joyfully announced he was cancer-free after an innovative therapy. In their words, the loss was sudden and unexpected, but blessed by the fact that Sam remained cancer-free. Sam was surrounded by family and passed with the dignity that has characterized his whole life. Now let's talk about the incredible life he lived. Born in Northern Ireland in 1947 and raised in New Zealand, Sam Neill built a career spanning more than 5 decades and over 150 acting credits. To millions, he'll always be Dr. Alan Grant from Jurassic Park, the reluctant hero who brought that dinosaur-filled world to life. But his talent stretched far beyond that island. He starred in the Oscar-winning film The Piano, in The Hunt for Red October, Event Horizon, and The Horse Whisperer. On television, he captivated audiences as the sinister Chester Campbell in Peaky Blinders and appeared in The Tudors and Apples Never Fall. Here's something you might not know. This beloved actor almost became James Bond. Sam was one of the top candidates to replace Roger Moore back in the 1980s, even doing a screen test before the role went to Timothy Dalton. And beyond the screen, Sam was a man of the land, a passionate winemaker who ran his own vineyard called Two Paddocks in New Zealand, often sharing photos of his beloved farm animals, playfully named after his famous friends. Tributes are now flowing in from around the world. The Australian Prime Minister called him wry and dry, thoughtful and laconic, saying he fought illness with the same dignity and humor that gave strength to his every performance. And perhaps that's the truest measure of the man. Sam Neill wasn't just a star. He was a storyteller, a farmer, a poet of the ordinary, someone who felt like a familiar friend to everyone who watched him. He may be gone, but every time those Jurassic Park gates open on screen, his wonder, his warmth and his brilliance will live on forever. Rest in peace, Sam. Which Sam Neill role touched you the most? Share your favorite memory of him in the comments below.